Fluffykid.
Let's learn the English alphabets in this episode of Fluffykid. But let's see the colors we have at first. Red, orange, blue, green, purple, and finally we have pink. We are going to use these colors to write our alphabets. So let's get started. We are using the red color for A. A. A for apple. A for apple. Next we use orange for B. B. B for ball. B for ball. Next we use blue for C. C. C for cat. C for cat. Next we will use the color green for D. D. D for dog. D for dog. Next we use the color purple for E. E. E for egg. E for egg. Next we use the color pink for F. F. F for flower. F for flower. Next we use the color red for G. G. G for goat. G for goat. Next we use the color orange for H. H. H for horse. H for horse. Next we use the color blue for I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Next we use green for J. J. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Next we use the color purple for K. K. K for kite. K for kite. Next we use the color pink for L. L. L for lion. L for lion. Next we use the color red for M. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Next we use the color orange for N. N. N for nest. N for nest. Next we use the color blue for O. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Next we use green for P. P. P for pig. P for pig. Next we use purple for Q. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Next we use pink for R. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Next we use red for S. S. S for ship. S for ship. Next we use orange for T. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Next we use blue for U. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. We use green for V. V. V for volcano. V for volcano. We use purple for W. W. W for watch. W for watch. We use pink for X. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Next we use red for Y. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. And the last alphabet we use orange for Z. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Great job in learning the alphabets A to C. Remember kids, every kid is a genius. Fluffykid. You can search by typing Fluffykid. 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 If you're having fun, please subscribe and like Fluffykid.